Welcome to Pfiffner. Today we present you our service product, Pfiffner REPAIR-EXPRESS, the efficient rejuvenation treatment for hydromat, rotary transfer machines. Your requirements to us may be: the Pfiffner rotary transfer machine have to be repaired. You want significantly reduce the machine downtime. Or you cannot renounce machine capacities because time is money. Pfiffner offers you the solution with Pfiffner REPAIR-EXPRESS, the efficient rejuvenation treatment for hydromat, rotary transfer machines. Our technicians execute the machine revision directly in your company. Consequently, there are following advantages for you. No dismounting of your machine is required. The revision of the rotary table and of the collet plate is taking place in your company. If necessary, the oil distributor block is exchanged. The revision of the hydraulic system, the loading magazine and the coolant system can also be carried out on site in your company. Replacement of electrical components and hydraulic hoses with new certification is recommended. The machine units and valves are revised simultaneously at Pfiffner plant. After completion of the overhaul, the rotary transfer machine is restarted by our technicians and a test run is carried out before handing over to you. With our solution, you have projectable machine shutdowns. Depending on the volume of the overhaul, you have a downtime of the rotary transfer machine of 2 to 6 weeks. And there is even more. Optionally, we offer you further benefits within the framework of REPAIR-EXPRESS. The changeover of the spindles to an HSK or Tendo turning clamp, an electrical software update or the retrofitting of the rotary transfer machine to CNC technology. Modernizing safety facilities gives you more protection for your employees as well as an easier risk assessment. This is important for your certification. Challenge us. Call us even today so that we can submit you a customized offer.